Chicks and ducks and geese better scurry when I take you out in the Surrey. When I take you out in the Surrey with the fringe on top. Watch that fringe and see how it flutters when I drive them high-stepping strutters. Nosy folks will peek through their shutters and their eyes will pop. The wheels are yellow, the upholstery's brown, the dashboard's genuine leather. With isinglass curtains you can roll right down in case there's a change in the weather. Everything's like a dream in Kansas City. It's better than a Magic Lantern show. You can turn the radiator on whenever you want some heat. With every kind of comfort, every house is all complete. You can walk to privies in the rain and never wet your feet. They've gone about as far as they can go.
Yes, sir.
They've gone about as far as they can go.
What you doing, Will?
This here's the two-step. That's all the dancing nowadays. The waltz is through. Catch on with it? A one and a two. A one and a two. Of course, they don't do it alone. Come on, Aunt Ellen.
And that's about as far as I can go. Yes, sir.
And that's about as far as she can go.
What you gonna do when a fella gets flirty and starts to talk purty? What you gonna do? Supposing that he says that your lips are like cherries or roses or berries. What you gonna do? Supposing that he says that you're sweeter than cream and he's gotta have cream or die. What you gonna do when he talks that way?
Spit in his eye? I'm just a girl who can't say no. Kissing's my favorite food. With or without the mistletoe, I'm in a holiday mood. Other girls are coy and hard to catch, but other girls ain't having any fun. Every time I lose a wrestling match, I have a funny feeling that I won. Though I can feel the undertow, I never make a complaint till it's too late for restraint. That when I want to, I can't say no. The farmer should be sociable with the cowboy. If he rides by and asks for food and water, don't treat him like a louse, make him welcome in your house.
But be sure that you lock up your wife and daughter.
He wants an old farm woman anyway. Well, notice how you married him since he could get a square meal?
You can't say that about our women folks.
He can say what he wants.
Ain't nobody gonna slug out anything. This here is a part of it. Now let's hear it. Dum-diddy-dum-dum-dum.
Oh, the farmer and the cowman should be friends. Oh, the farmer and the cowman should be friends. One man likes to push a plow, the other likes to chase the cow. That's no reason why they can't be friends. And when this territory is a state and joins the union just like all the others, the farmer and the cowman and the merchant must all behave themselves and act like brothers.
I'd like to teach you all a little saying and learn these words by heart like you should. I don't say I'm no better than anybody else, but I'll be danged if I ain't just as good.
Yeah! I don't say I'm no better than anybody else, but I'll be danged if I ain't just as good. Territory folks should stick together, territory folks should all be pals. Cowboys dance with the farmers. preacher said that about, take this here one. I was scared he wouldn't say it.
I was scared Curly back out on me.
Party's still on, I see. Glad I ain't too late. I got a present for the group. First, I want to kiss the bride.